How to use BetMGM's casino features. BetMGM's online casino offers a wide array of features catering to various player preferences. Here's a breakdown of how to generally use those features. Now first, make sure to launch the BetMGM app and log into your account by tapping the account icon from the bottom right and logging into your respective account, right? Once you've done that, what you can do is you must make sure that you've deposited the funds, by the way, because BetMGM's casino lobby is typically organized into categories, making it easy to find your favorite games. You must also understand the casino game rules of each game before you start playing. Now, just keep in mind that you must also promote responsible gaming, and it will also provide tools to help you manage your gaming activity, such as deposit limits and self-exclusion options. This way you will be able to use the BetMGM's casino features. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.